Okay, what's next? Cam box. Did I buy a cam or did I buy some junk? Let's see here. The knife does not want to cut today. Time to re-sharpen it again. Oh, it'll poke me though if it drops on my feet. Uh-oh. Some more tape. It is a camshaft. Amazing camshaft in a cam box. You've got a needle bearing with it too. It's used, but not a lot. Okay, do not hold on parts that rust that matter. Gear teeth don't matter. Cam lobes do matter. Bearing journals really matter. Out here where the bushing goes, not as important. So you want to make sure it's not screwed up on the end. Looks alright. So what did I buy here? It's marked on the end of the cam gear, or most likely on the end of the lobe. And then also here on the end of the cam itself. This one looks like it's on the end of the cam itself, but we'll check the lobe. The lobe is not marked. Okay, it's an Andrews EV27. So that's a good mild street cam. That's what Evo motors came stock with. These will give you about 70 to 72 horsepower with a stock 80-inch motor. Put the ignition and the air cleaner and muffler on it to let it breathe. It'll make good power. It'll make up to 75, depending on your good combination you have. Wipe off the oil off here so I can see the lobe. The lobes look good. The journal looks good. All right, good with that. A little CRC on there to protect it. Put the bearing back on it. Rub it in there a little bit. Should be good to go. So that's a good used EV27 cam. These are getting to be pretty expensive these days, so if you can save a couple bucks on a good share of used part, I got no problem doing that. Used parts have been proven to be good. That's what's nice about them. As long as they're good. The key is has to be good. Bang, bang, bang. Okay. So we'll mark that as being a used cam. Yep. Blank box. So yeah, we'll just mark it what it is. There you go. Another good used part.